Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 37925. The job location is in Columbus, Indiana. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: should be proficient in data modeling, data lake concepts, SQL, DB, in MS Azure environment, should be capable in designing migration systems from legacy systems to Power BI on Azure platform, should be good in communication and presentation skills to discuss system designs as per business expectation and requirement. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 10 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.